Today I'm going to be showing you how I get ready for a date. It's date night tonight, can't wait. So yeah, I just thought I'd do this date night look, give you some tips for maybe if you're going on a first date or whatever. I'll also show you me, show you me. I'm also going to show you me doing my hair and curling it if any of you are curious as to how I curl my hair. And then I'll show my makeup and maybe an outfit. This is obviously not what I'm going to be wearing. This is just my robe. I feel very fancy in it. I am currently unsure as to what outfit I'm going to go for. So if I don't show you, then you can go look at my Instagram. I'm going to start with a moisturiser. So my first tip for going on a date would be to shower beforehand. Just because, you know, you don't want to smell. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. Also, just in case anyone thinks I look kind of dead right now, I'm actually kind of sick. So I feel quite drained. Don't know if it's coming off that way. And I also look even paler than I normally do, which is hard, I know. I'm on a strict time schedule right now. And I don't even know what makeup I'm meant to be doing. I'm going to be using Professional by Benefit. This is like a wee tiny one. I just put that over my nose. I don't really have any other pores that are visible except my nose, I think. Now we're going to go in with foundation, and I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This is my favourite one. I got it for Christmas. I feel like I'm like going through menopause. I'm just going to be putting that all over my face. I've used kind of a lot, but this is really full coverage. Now that that's all nice and blended, I'm going to be taking a concealer and just putting it underneath my eyes. I don't really need anywhere else concealed because I've got no spots right now, so feeling blessed. Wow, my skin looks really good right now. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my cream contour stick. Oh, I've got an itchy ear. I make sure to always do this before I powder, because if I do it after, then it goes all like cakey and not nice. I only really put it on my cheekbones, and then I just blend that out with my beauty blender again. Now I'm just gonna powder all over my face. I wanted to give you guys some like tips and advice for if you're going on a date, just because, you know, like I thought this was a good idea because Valentine's Day is so close, and maybe you're going on your first date with someone, like all very exciting, so I thought I'd give you advice. However, I didn't go on my first date until last year, and it was with my boyfriend now, so I feel as though I'm not exactly very experienced in the sector of first dates, which like is a good thing. Obviously it means I don't really know what to tell you guys. It was requested the other day that I do like an eyebrow routine. However, like I show how to do my eyebrows in every makeup tutorial I do, so do you guys want a separate video, like so you don't have to go through every makeup routine? Let me know. Why do my eyebrows look so bad? I hate wearing face makeup and not having anything on my eyes. Like I literally feel like I look naked. I'm just gonna go over them with a clear eyebrow gel. So for my eyes, which is the main part of this look, I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna do like a pink look. I feel like that's quite good for Valentine's Day. I'm sorry that I'm not talking to you guys right now. Like, I'm just such a boring person. I don't have anything to talk about. So I'm taking this Bon Fresco? Don't know, that one. I'm just using that on my crease. Okay, so now I'm going in with Love Letter, this pink colour. How cute. That is such a cute name. Wow. I almost forgot to put on some lip balm, because if you're going on a date, you don't want to have chapped lips. Like, it's just not nice. Now I'm just blending out this eyeshadow together. Obviously, like, you don't have to do this much of a dramatic look if you're going on a date. Like, just do whatever you feel the nicest in. Just personally for me, this is how I feel I look the nicest. Like, you guys saw me at the start of the video. Oh, my hot chocolate's gone cold. Now I'm gonna go in with red ochre. This one. I'm just gonna be putting it on the outer corners of my eye. And then I'm just gonna blend again. Blending is key, people. On top of that, I'm gonna be putting this brown colour called Cypress Umber. So my last eyeshadow step is to use Vermeer, this one, on the front bit of my eye. I'm sorry if I seem really like bored in this video and like just not fun. I kind of feel like death. I'm going to be taking that same shade Vermeer and putting it underneath my eyebrow. I feel as though, because my eyebrows are so like straight, if that makes sense, like I feel like if I put highlighter underneath them and stuff like that, it doesn't do anything, but we're gonna do it anyway. Now for under my eyes, I'm gonna go back in with the Love Lighter and I'm just gonna drag that underneath my eyes, like so. Literally every time I wear eyeshadow, I put on eyeliner, but I just can't decide if I can be bothered today. Can I? No. I always line my tight line, but I do not like to show this on camera because I kind of look possessed. So now I'm gonna be putting on some mascara. So I'm gonna be curling my lashes. Ow. I'm gonna be using two mascaras today. Usually I don't do this, but just switching it up. My camera keeps running out of memory and I'm actually really mad about it. So the first mascara I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. In my opinion, this is the best drugstore mascara. I also hate fake eyelashes, so I never put them on. I'm quite lucky that I feel like I don't really need them that much. They literally are just like created by Satan. They look great on, however they're just like the worst things ever to put on, so I'm just not a fan and I never wear them. I wore them once to like my school Christmas dance and I cried putting them on. The other mascara I'm going to be using is the the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I'm also going to be putting this on my bottom eyelashes. Kind of wish I'd put on eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the rest of my face. So I'm going to be bronzing a wee bit. Just using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I think I'm also going to contour my nose a wee bit. I'm not the best at this and I don't really need it. I don't think. I've got quite a small nose. However, I'm going to do it anyway. I regret my decision. The last step in this tutorial is highlighter. I always use the Fenty Hustler Baby. I lied, that wasn't my last step. I'm also going to be using some lip gloss. So I'm going to be using two. Basically I don't really wear lipstick that much because I think that my lips look kind of bad with it on. Like, I have kind of small lips, so I feel like lipstick just doesn't suit them that well. The first lip gloss I'm going to be using is the Sexy Mother Pucker one, this one, by Soap & Glory, because it plumps your lips a bit, which I need. I was going to also use my Fenty lip gloss too, however I quite like it with just this, so I'm gonna leave it like that. This is the completed makeup and now I'm gonna do my hair. So I use this wand. It's, I don't know, I got it on Amazon I think, and it was like the cheapest one that was like in a set, because you can take the wand off it and change it up if you want to, but this is the one I use. I don't know the size or anything. This really isn't that helpful, to be honest. But I'm gonna comb my hair now. I'm not gonna do it on camera, I'm sorry, but it's just easier for me if I look in the mirror, which is there. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did my hair. It's obviously gonna drop a bit. It's very curly right now. I still need to like accessorize and put on a nice outfit and stuff. So if you want to see what I wore, then go over to my Instagram. Yeah, I hope you liked seeing this makeup look. And good luck if you're using this for a date. But I will see you guys in my next video.